7 o'clock. We just put them in. They're in there. So we have the oldest female, the male, and the young female. So these two, this female and the male, are 12 weeks old, and then this female, she is 9 weeks old. So we're just gonna grab them. Handful of food. There you go. We're gonna let them out tomorrow morning. And just like that, it's the morning. So I've opened that up now so they can get out, put some food and water in, and I'm just gonna refill the actual Avery bird water, and then we're gonna let them come out. It's about 6:30 in the morning right now, so it's earlier than I normally would be getting up. And it's Friday, which doesn't help, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Right, so what's up? Not too far. It should be near. Oh, they are using the perch. So I'm gonna wait and see if they want to come out. I'm gonna try and I think she was at the door then. Have a little look. I think they'll enjoy it in here. So, I will pick back up once they have come out. So I've just seen some movement, and the oldest female came out to stand on the edge, but she's gone back in. The other birds have been very interested in them. And I think the quail will be coming out soon. Okay, so I've decided to give them a little bit of encouragement. So, just putting my hand in there and seeing if I can just coax them out. The male at this point really didn't want to come out. Male decided to go back in, so I'm just gonna coax him back out. Oh god, they jumped then. So these guys can actually jump high enough that my aviary roof, which is 2 meters high, they can hit that. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.